Okay, everyone, welcome back to my video vlog for make the video challenge 30 days. Okay, today I have a new title for uh, tell tell you, and now the name the title is the importance of time management. Yeah, we will discuss about um, time management. Okay, okay, directly. I think time management is important. You must have the time management every day, because if you don't have time management for tomorrow or for today, you you can confuse what do you do for today. Okay, and so you need to uh, time management or make your planning for today or for tomorrow. Maybe you can write in the Google Docs or write in the to-do list in application. Many application to-do list in the from the in the app store or Play Store. You can download first for get the application, or you can get the website planner from from influencer. You can buy maybe just 50,000 rupiah. Yeah, just I think cheap. Yeah, I think you must make the planner first. You must make the planner for today, and if you have done for make planning today, you can make for tomorrow also. Yeah, you can make the simple realistic planning, because if you make the many planner for today or for tomorrow, you can get stress. Okay, uh, you must manage you make time management, and also you must uh, think about stress management, because if you get stress, you cannot doing the planner for today or for tomorrow. Yeah, uh, I'm usually make the planner in Google Docs. Google Docs, you can searching in Google, and then you can found uh, some website. The name is Google Docs, and you can click, and you can make the table, make the table. You can make the table, and then after that you break down to what do you do for tomorrow and or for today. And usually I am doing like that. And for today, I have a planning first. The planning is learning English first, and after that I'm reading the book, and then um, study math. And last for morning is I will build the portfolio coding, because I want have the portfolio for a play job. Okay, I think enough, and tomorrow I will prepare for tomorrow, for get the better from now. I will write first the vocabulary for tomorrow, and work for tomorrow. Yeah, I will prepare for it, because I think prepare is important, because you practicing in English. If you prepare, you can get the new vocabulary, new word, new verb. You can get the new knowledge. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for everyone and see you for tomorrow.